I got lost up in it, got hot for a minute. Set my lust for life, and these lights are bright, and I love these women bad.
Oh my god, it's so pretty. There's so many. Oh my god. What is that?
They're sponges with sugar.
Mom, where are we going?
We are going to Outback Steakhouse, celebrating Ray's birthday.
You can't tell me I'm not that girl. Hold on. Oh my god, a thumbnail. Wait, let me get the thumbnail. Hold on. Stop playing with her. Especially while nobody's in this bathroom. Oh my god. Hold on. What?
Attention Outback! We have a very special guest in the building tonight. We have Ray turning 62. One, two, three.
Happy birthday.
Zany boss, once I door, a brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitches they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, off the juice, Cody got me tripping. Got the coupe, on the roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping.
Addy boys got some 60s in my bag. Lips sealed, ain't pillow talking on no red. In my earlobe, got 2 carats, VVS. Got a penthouse near Rodeo, off of stress.
I'm in Post Houston right now, whatever that means. I don't even know where I'm at. Like, this is the landscape. The city part is, you know, it's aesthetic, but this weather is disgusting. Okay, I was in the middle of a thunderstorm on the freeway, and the freeways are not free, by the way. You have to pay them. Oh, and not only that, I made 2 wrong turns, so I probably paid extra than I would have if I had just not missed the exit or not got on the exit because it wasn't time, whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna meet a new content creator friend that I made out here in Houston, all thanks to Mir back home. Shout out to you. And today's our first day making content, and I'm super excited and super nervous, so let's hope it goes well. Hi friend. Oh my god,
How are you?
it's so nice to meet you.
Nice
You're
to
so
meet you
tall.
too. That's why I was like, I'm about to ask you. I'm like, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm little.
Oh my god.
But I'm here watching our stuff at the table, and we're first gonna eat, and and then we're gonna get to the actual content portion. I'm super excited because this is my first new friend in Houston. So before I came, she already started taking pictures, and her pictures were so good. And she has a YouTube channel, so I'm just the adrenaline. I'm so excited. Hey, gotta show out to the vlog. Hey, oh my god.
Shayla Mary, y'all.
Everybody follow her. Yeah, everybody's getting tagged.
Good.
Wait, which one did you get? Mediterranean?
Pakistani food.
Okay, I don't think I've ever had that. I had
Me either.
Mediterranean.
It's my first time.
I got African. Oh my gosh. Not the height difference. Dang.
How tall are you?
I'm like only 5'3".
Oh my god, I'm
How tall
5'8".
are you? Oh, okay. 5 inches. And it makes all the difference. I love it here.
I'm over here looking around.
Oh
I'm
my
like,
god, I got a cheese. Tell them how it was.
mine was excellent. I'm not about to lie. It was good as
Would you
hell.
recommend it?
Yeah, 10 out of 10. It's called Rolling Fatty.
Okay. First
I want to
taste.
see.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
What did you get from there?
Girl, I don't know. But it's good.
The name was.
I've never had jollof rice.
You never had jollof? This is the first time?
This is amazing.
That's a different type of jollof. I've never seen jollof that was green.
Having a little mukbang, okay.
Ethiopian food is bomb.
Smack every time, but never miss. I mean, I eat like healthy food, but like if it makes me gain weight, like just give it to me. I don't
You
care.
don't care? You working out?
I used to.
So you just want to gain the weight. What if it don't go into the right places? Would you care?
Oh, like no, yeah, I go to the gym, so to go to the right places.
You said once I start eating.
Yeah. Like I feel like first you gotta start eating, because if you just go to the gym.
No, going to the gym increases your appetite.
Oh, so I should start with that? Okay, see?
Yep, a lot of cardio, girl.
It's my new brand, y'all.
Girl.
You see the benefits? I'm already benefiting. See? Get you a black woman in your life, see? The benefits, they're endless.
You are silly.
This is great. I love it here. We can stay here. This is fine. My parents, they're like so happy. I was like, oh, I'm out with my new friend. They were like, oh, you made a friend. I was like, I know. And she just content. They were like, ah.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Because we are talking about like real stuff.
Okay.
Okay, tell me like just everything. We gotta start from ground zero.
Beginning, like where we're from, like that type of
All
stuff.
the basics, yeah, we gotta cover all the basics.
So I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. They know where you're from already, I'm assuming.
Oh, this is not for the car. I just wanna know about you.
Oh, okay. I thought you were saying for the vlog.
Like, what do you envision for yourself? Like, what are you planning for?
So as of now, I'm almost at 700 to my goal.
Girl, you better get monetized.
I'm trying to get monetized. That's my small goal, is to be monetized.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
Long-term goal is to be sponsored by like a fashion brand somehow.
Okay, yeah.
To be
Period.
sponsored. I've been seeing like some of my favorite YouTubers go on the trips.
Yes, the
Like,
influencer trips. Okay, we gonna be just fine. I like this.
It's a smart one to have since you have natural hair. I've never did my hair on camera. Have you ever did your hair on camera?
My last video is my wash day. We just met. She don't know nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is my first time. Don't judge me.
It's funny that you said that though.
That's crazy.
But like, okay, so I started my channel over. I was at 1,000 something, and my watch hours was almost at. Actually, I was monetized, but what the heck? Okay, so it was way back when they first let YouTubers monetize, right? So I was monetized, and then they changed the rules where you had to hit the threshold.
Yeah.
So that's when I wasn't monetized anymore because I didn't have the watch hours. So then, but I had almost the watch hours when they updated that. And then one day, it was like another update they made where like you can't private any of your videos or they don't count. And I didn't know that. So like I went to private some old videos. And
You're like, I don't need to see me like this.
And then it went down. But in the fine print, it says like once you private them, even if you make them public, they don't count. Like it starts over as if you just published it. So I lost like all the watch hours that I had. And then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna start over on a new channel because I didn't want those old videos up anyway. Right.
A little crush over there. Something like this, I would record it and I would. It's so fun. Talk over there. I like Real talk.
Oh yeah, we gotta get into the guys. Hold on. We're gonna get to that subject. We're gonna get into that. But I just keep hearing like if you're consistent on TikTok, then the audience will follow you everywhere else.
That's exactly what she said.
Yeah,
guess what?
What?
I plan on going to LA for my birthday. Giviana's coming on the 15th. I didn't plan on getting there until the 16th.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. The vlog is over. Not you going home without me. I'm so homesick.
I might have no travel buddy.
Imagine this is like the best duo that like nobody ever
This
knew.
would be crazy. What's coming?
It's like, okay, it's like we're right here in the present.
Okay.
And then but we don't know like the future is. But like what if like down the line it's like this is it. This
That would
is
be
it.
dope.
This is
That would be dope.
That would be
I'm not gonna lie.
exciting.
Like, that would be crazy as heck. That would
We
be
can hit each other's guts, you know? You never know.
So like, you don't know that person that was about, don't speak of her anymore. We don't speak of her on this channel. Do not mention her name.
Oh my god.
Roger, how do y'all find her?
Okay, well, I don't know, it's different back home because since I grew up there, I know where everything is already. Whereas like here, if I had like Miriam or something, what I would do is we would just like drive around.
Okay.
And like whatever looks cute, we'd be like, okay, stop the car. We're gonna like go over here.
Let's go park.
Yeah, and we would just like put the hazards on and get out and do it. But yeah.
That's kind of dope.
I mean, it's kind of dangerous, but
That too. But what's life without a little danger?
yeah. And some parking tickets.
Like you like TikTok more than Instagram? Or which one do you prefer?
First of all, Instagram, they need to pack it up. Okay? Because they doing too much and they not doing enough all at the same time. Make it make sense. Second of all, they have updates that we never asked for. Third of all, they won't fix the things that we constantly ask for.
Emailed them. I wrote them on Instagram.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
I put it in the review.
Nobody cares. Nobody's home.
Y'all hate Instagram.
Yeah.
At me, contact me. Contact.shaylamir@gmail.com. I would like to hear from you guys. Or y'all gonna have to hear from my team.
I'm the team. I'm the team. You're gonna have to see me. Yes. Run it by me first.
Please.
Guys, we are so cute. Here we go. I'm so tired. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's this way. This
Yeah,
way.
buddy.
Good lighting. Shay's trying to fix her hair.
Y'all, why did I think that I could be in Houston, Texas with 4C hair? Baby, this is not real right now.
It's the quality for me.
Yeah, that's...
Take a test photo so I can see what it looks like, and then like I just adjust it, and then when I have it, then I actually start posting.
I'm taking over the camera and this is a fail. A fail on my part. I would never ever ever try to take content outside with my natural hair again unless it's in a fro.
Okay, second shot. Second shot.
That's copyrighted. You gotta pay me. I'm suing you. Where are you going?
Alright, so it's the end of the day. It is 8:48, almost 9 o'clock. Yeah, so that was a very, very productive day with Miss Shayla Marie. I'm so glad I got to meet her. She's so nice. You guys all follow her on her social platforms. I'll be sure to link it in the description box down below. So I only had 2 outfit changes, 2 out of the 3, but that's decent enough. And this place is really cool. So if you've never been, you should definitely check out Post Houston, especially if you're like a big foodie. Kind of like just a big food court, but they have like a lot of different genres of food, which I really like because I like trying new stuff. Today I tried West African food and I tried Nigerian jollof for the first time. Girl, it was so good. Oh my god. So I'm gonna drive home now. If this is the end of the vlog and I don't come back, then I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel and follow me on all my social media platforms. I'll see you guys in the next video.